Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you how to do healthy meal prep for the week. Eating well can be challenging when you're busy, but with some planning, shopping and cooking, you can set yourself up for success. First, let's talk about planning. Take a few minutes to think about what you want to eat this week. Think about your schedule, your goals and your budget. Do you need quick meals for busy weeknights or more elaborate weekend recipes? Make a plan to help you stay on track and avoid impulse buys at the grocery store. Once you've planned, it's time to make your grocery list. Stick outside the store where fresh fruits, veggies, lean proteins and healthy fats are found. Avoid the middle aisles, which often have processed and packaged foods that can be unhealthy. Now it's time to shop. Please stick to your list and avoid buying anything that's not on it. And whatever you do, don't shop when you're hungry. It's a recipe for disaster. With your groceries in hand, it's time to start cooking. A little bit of prep work can go a long way. Wash and chop your veggies and cook some grains and proteins ahead of time to make meal prep easier. Now it's time to put together your meals. Use portion control and balance your meals with proteins, carbohydrates and healthy fats. You can pack your meals in individual containers to make them easy to grab and go. Finally, store your meals in the fridge or freezer until you're ready to eat them. You can reheat them in the microwave or oven when it's time to. And that's it. With some planning, grocery shopping and cooking, you can set yourself up for a week of healthy eating. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more healthy living tips. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss a video. Thanks for watching.